Hello, good afternoon to everyone. See, I have ordered this Pigeon pressure cooker which is of 3 liters. I am going to unbox this now and show you how it is and the weight and everything, the look and overall details I'll show you. Along with this, I have ordered two more items. See here on this Flipkart. One is the Luxia Fair Invisible Waterproof glue which is of transparent, and another is this one MZ S700 life saying LED torch which is of rechargeable, and this is the water glue. And first I'll be unboxing this Pigeon special 3 outer lid pressure cooker. So let us unbox this and I'll tell you my initial impressions on this. Later I'll upload these two in a separate video. Okay, first let me upload this. All the video links I'll be posting in the description for these two unboxing videos, and I also did unboxing video on this Polycab Vision Neo Galaxy BLEC pen. So yeah, please find them in the description. See, this is the outer lid. Maybe this is the warranty card, or wait, 5 years warranty, 5 years warranty card only. This is the warranty card. I'll keep it aside. And yeah, see here, this is the brand new lid. This one I need to screw with the screws. These are the handles, I guess. What else? What all? Yeah, see. So this goes here, I guess, like this. Okay, not this one, not this one. I need to just screw this with the screw. They provided the screws. I'll be taking this out. Yeah, screws, two screws. Yeah, and this is the vessel, cooker vessel, or the lid, the weight. Okay, maybe. Yeah, as it is new. Yeah, it was a bit tight as this is new. I'll be opening this. Yeah, I thought 3 liters would be a much bigger. To my surprise, it is looking quite a bit small for me. See here, if you can observe. Anyway, I'm okay with this. This would be probably a better choice for people like 2 to 3, not even 3, 2 people. If the cooking is for 2 to 3 or 1 or 2, then this would be perfect choice. Is a 3 liter. And yeah, gasket. So once I screw this, I'll be showing you with this handles. Okay, I need to screw it here. One. Yeah, see here, the fitting is okay. The screw gone here and another screw gone here. This is the clamp also they provided. Yeah, and this is the fitting. Yeah, I need to keep it properly. Yeah, this is the proper way. And where is the lid? Here. Yeah, this is the total Pigeon 3 liter special 3 liter outlet pressure cooker. So if possible, I'll be attaching these products in the view products list. You can go through that. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.